This garden basket has a superpower. It can stay outside forever and a day and not fall apart because it's waterproof. It started life as a plastic laundry basket, and now on the inside there's this lightweight resin flower pot by Southern Patio. We found it at Home Depot for just $8, and it fits perfectly in a medium-sized laundry basket. So now we could plant anything from roses to potatoes or spring bulbs in this basket and not worry about mice nibbling at the roots. And here's a great shortcut. The basket handles were made from dog toys of nylon rope. So take a look at how we put this basket together step by step for our country house. To create the look of wicker, we wove 300 feet of waterproof rope through the design of the laundry basket. Our laundry basket was literally found on a curb, but you could use a plastic basket from a dollar store like the one on the left, or even a simple metal basket like the one on the right. The basket will show through here and there, so pick a color that will blend in with wicker like gray or soft black or brown. We cut our rope to 15-foot lengths and we used cellophane tape on the ends to make the weaving easy, and then we wove around and around, nothing formal here, and we switched the colors now and then and did a lot of this while watching TV and movies. Each time we started a new length of rope, we knotted the ends together on the inside and we kept going. It wasn't long before we had most of the basket woven and we could wrap the rim with rope too. We left the top 2 rows of the basket open until we could attach the handles. 2 dog toys found on sale were easy to take apart and tint the nylon rope with a hickory colored stain. Here's what the toy looked like on the left and with the stuffing removed on the right. And here's the toy stained on the left, and you can see where the rope is attached with tape. After staining, you want to let these handles dry for about 24 hours. You don't have to stain the tape, of course, but what we're going to do is cover the tape with some nylon string that'll blend in with our wicker look. Now, we attach the handles by wrapping around them along with the rim with about 12 loops of rope going through the openings near the top. And now we can finish those last few rows, and then with the leftover rope we did some simple embroidery, and we've got some simple lines and X's for details. Now we're almost complete. You can see the X's and the detailing we did here, but what we finally decided to do with the finished basket was to antique it with some wood stain. All you have to do is brush it on and let it dry for about 24 hours and it's ready to go. We used a red wood stain for the color. This basket now is ready for all seasons. We're going to use it for summer, we're going to use it for fall, and we're going to even use it for our Christmas tree at the end of the year. We think this basket will last for many, many years, and we hope to make a lot more. Well, until next time, see you later.